Excess fat, particularly in the abdominal area, is a common concern for many individuals. This type of fat, known as visceral fat, surround the internal organ and can have serious implications like increased risk of heart disease and stroke, type 2 diabetes, poor metabolic health, sleep apnea, and certain cancers. Hello, dear viewers. Are you struggling to kickstart your metabolism and shed those stubborn pounds? Well, what if I told you there is a tasty natural herb that's been hiding right under your nose? Yes, I mean that. And it holds the key to burning fats more effectively. Keep watching to discover this incredible herb and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum benefit. So, what is this magical herb we are talking about? It's ginger. Yes, you heard me right. Ginger isn't just a flavorful spice for your dishes, it's also a powerful fat burning agent. Let's dive into the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often linked to weight gain and obesity. Moreover, ginger is excellent for digestive health. It can soothe an upset stomach, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. So, how does this work? Ginger has what we call thermogenetic effect when consumed. It has a tendency of increasing your body temperature, which may help boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. This process, known as thermogenesis, is thought to contribute to weight loss. Ginger helps increase the rate at which your body burns fat, may help reduce cortisol level production, which is stress hormone, help regulate blood sugar levels, which also help prevent insulin resistance and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Okay, let's talk about how to prepare ginger to reap its maximum health benefits. The simplest way to consume ginger is by making ginger tea. All you need to do is peel and grate a small piece of ginger, boil it in water, and voila, you have a delicious fat burning tea to kickstart your morning with. If you want to enhance the taste, you can drop few raw honey and juice of lemon, but you can also take it like that. It's good as well. You can also add ginger to your smoothies, juice, or even milks when you're preparing your meals. Just remember, moderation is key because too much ginger can give you an irritation as well. So start with small amounts and adjust according to your preference. If you are considering adding ginger to your weight loss plan, remember that a balanced diet, regular physical activity are essential for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. So there you have it. Ginger is the tasty fat burning herb that you need to start taking every morning, or incorporate it into your routine and watch the magic happen to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Stay healthy, stay fit, and see you in my next video. Bye.